Hail, friends of wargaming. Lordsheen here. Today, I am going to teach you how to disable ads from your competitors on your website. First, head over to google.com/AdSense. Next, click on Blocking Controls in the menu on the left side of your screen. Choose your website. Click Manage Advertiser URLs. What you want to do next is search for the website of your competitor. Since lordsheen.com is a World of Tanks fan site, I am going to block advertisements from War Thunder. After you find the website of the competitor, search for it in the search bar, and click the slider. Advertisements are now blocked for this specific website. Congratulations, you now know how to block advertisements from your competitors with Google AdSense. Lordsheen over and out.